This is AP News Minute. House Speaker Nancy Pelosi is set to unveil the fifth coronavirus aid package. It would seek to help states and cities avoid layoffs amid skyrocketing healthcare costs and dropping tax revenue. Senate Majority Leader Mitch McConnell says no vote is planned before June. The federal government says the coronavirus outbreak has unleashed a wave of fraud. More than 300 newly opened cases involve products like fake COVID-19 products, medicines, and tests. Georgia's Attorney General appointed a black district attorney to oversee the case of a black man who was killed while running. 2 white men were arrested and charged more than 2 months after the shooting. President Trump says he required everyone who enters the White House West Wing to wear a mask. The president himself wasn't wearing a mask during his White House briefing on Monday. Rita Foley, The Associated Press, with AP News Minute.
I'm attorney William White. I've been a proud resident of Flagler County since 2003. I'm even more proud to practice law here and represent my neighbors. If you face a family law issue or personal injury, I would be pleased to help you. Contact me. I have a free 30-minute consultation. You can come down to my office in the beach and we can talk.
I am not feeling safe at all. I haven't felt safe in at least 3 to 5 days now. Like Amy has said, the threats have been real. I say they're real. I don't know. I haven't been on the other end of it yet. Just a threat. I don't want to be on the other end of it. I truthfully need to be cleared of this because I had nothing to do with it. I'm trying to get my life back to normal, and it's been smeared for the last week. Complete shock. I've never been involved in anything like that before. Complete shock. I didn't know how to feel. Never done it. Never seen it. Yes, I'm very, very sorry for your loss. I don't know what else to say. I know there's nothing else I can say. I'm very sorry for your loss. Besides losing my job, my livelihood, my family being threatened, they can threaten me all they want to. Why you need to threaten my family too? I'm not talking about Amy and I. I'm talking about other members of my family that, have nothing at all to do with this.
I'm attorney William White. I've been a proud resident of Flagler County since 2003. I'm even more proud to practice law here and represent my neighbors. If you face a family law issue or personal injury, I would be pleased to help you. Contact me. I have a free 30-minute consultation. You can come down to my office in the beach and we can talk.
Tally is a fully autonomous mobile robot that's designed to really help retailers better take inventory within retail stores. The goal of Tally is to help ensure product is always stocked in the right place and has the right price. So with COVID-19, we think there's a stronger case now more than ever for automation and better data within retail. We think that will drive greater adoption of robotics because it creates an opportunity where there is actually more social distancing in the environment because these tasks are being performed by a robot and not a person.
We're taking the dull and monotonous task of cleaning the floor, which might take 2.5, 3 hours, 4 hours in different locations. That's time saved that the janitors and the operators and the staff can now spend providing the vital and critical services to keep everything else clean. We're an advanced tool that allows them to perform at a higher productive level and really enables them to focus on the higher value tasks that robots aren't good at.
This game is one of my favorite.
I think we're going to continue to see investment in retail automation.
They typically won't call in sick, but sometimes they do break. In fact, you can reduce the amount of human contact and therefore, be able to, reduce the possibility of disease spread. There are a set of trade-offs. There's some real benefits to automation, and those, many of them are economic. I think the question is, what happens to workers if they're not doing things that the robots are doing now?